Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to another Tip of the Day video. In today's video, I want to answer one common question that gets asked by my patients. We see a lot of back pain patients in the office. Actually, back pain is the most common condition that we see in the clinic. This question gets asked a lot. And what is this question? So this question is, why is my back hurting more in the morning? All right. A lot of my patients, they think, hey, I wasn't doing anything at night. Why was my back hurting more? Why was actually it hurting less during the day when I'm moving? So I want to give you the quick answer to that and explain to you basically what's going on there. All right. The thing is, when you're sleeping, your back tends to hurt more during the morning when you wake up, is because when you're sleeping, you tend not to move, right? And when you're not moving, the muscles are not moving, and they stay in that position and they get stiff. All right. So, or especially if, let's say, you're sleeping on your tummy, which sometimes when you're sleeping your tummy, depending on if your bed is firm or not, or soft, or let's say if you have a more protruded chest, you can actually be sleeping and then propping up like this. So basically you're sleeping with your back extended, okay? Or if you're sleeping your side on a fetal position, you'll be sleeping with your spine curved the whole time. And we will be sleeping 6 to 8 hours a day, and that's a long time for your back or your body not to move. Okay, so if that is the situation, what happens is when you wake up, that muscle hasn't moved in a while, it gets stiff, and now you're trying to stretch it. Initially, it's gonna be more painful because it's not stretching enough, it's not loose, it's not moving enough. Okay, so it will take a while for the blood to flow there more, heat up the tissues there, heat up the muscle fibers, and then when you're moving more, that's when the time they become more elastic again. And that's the reason why during the day it actually feels less painful, because now your body's warm and your body's looser, the muscles are looser, so you feel better. All right, so that's the main reason why you actually have pain during like when you wake up in the morning. All right, now I have in another video, how do we actually, like, what's the best position to sleep, because those are other questions that come up from this topic. What's the mattress to use, all those things. You can refer to my watch my other videos, and you can see the answer to those. All right, so I hope this shed some light to that question, in case you have that question in your mind, and I hope you understand the situation, that your condition better. Okay, if you like this video, you find it helpful, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, or share this with your family and friends. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. You're awesome.